So may I come in?
Hi. बैठिए.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. रश्मि.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. लॉ कब किया आपने?
So 2020.
20. कहाँ से किया आपने?
Sir, Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, Punjab.
पंजाब. ओके. पंजाब में कहाँ पे है ये?
So Patiala.
पटियाला. ओके. पटियाला में एक बड़ा और मशहूर इंस्टीट्यूट है, क्या नाम है उसका?
So Sports Authority.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
ओके. पटियाला का आपने सुना होगा, पता आप लॉ स्टूडेंट पर है ना, पटियाला का स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ
Yes,
इंडिया का वहाँ पे
yes, sir. वहाँ पे
काफी सारी
academy.
प्लेयर्स आए हैं वहां से,
Yes, sir.
नेशनल लेवल.
I couldn't find the.
हाँ नहीं, आई नो यू, आप तो अपना पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. अच्छा. तो आपने उसके बाद एलएलबी के बाद क्या किया?
Sir, LLM. 2020 से 21 तक.
ये कहाँ से किया आपने?
Sir, National Law Institute, University, Bhopal.
भोपाल. ओके. आप रहने वाले मध्य प्रदेश के हैं?
No, sir, Jaipur.
जयपुर के.
Yes, sir.
ओके. भोपाल कैसा शहर लगा आपको?
So ठीक था थोड़ा. It's more green than Rajasthan.
राजस्थान ना?
Yeah.
ओके. पानी खूब है.
Yes, sir.
तालों में ताल भोपाल, बाकी सब तलैया. हाँ. हाँ. अच्छा. आपको ये आरजेएस की जॉब में ऐसा क्या मतलब लगता है, एक मेन अट्रैक्शन जिसे कहना चाहिए, कि कैसे?
Mental satisfaction.
नहीं सकते.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm very attached to children actually, and it makes my heart ache when I see such crimes against the children. So I want to work for them.
But see, it's a good thing you have that feeling, but see, as a judicial officer, that's a very, very, you can say, small segment where you deal with the children.
Yes,
But
sir.
the other things, they are hardcore criminals, they are in court, you just take it, they are all notorious kind of people who come.
Yes, sir.
Mostly. They are good people also, but in court now, what kind of crime is committed, white collar crime, economic offenses. The people are very, very, you can say, different, and very, very, society has degenerated.
Yes, sir.
So, as a judicial officer, you have to deal with different people.
Yes, sir.
So, like, you must have done LLB of 5 years with something in mind that you want to be lawyer, or like you want to pursue your career as a lawyer, like how?
So since 2017, I've decided I want to be a judicial officer.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
And say, what is so attractive about it? Like,
So mental satisfaction that you are able to give so much, whether you are able to give to society or not.
right, but see, if you are a lawyer or if you are a doctor, whatever job you do, contributing to the society, everybody is contributing. So,
Yes, sir.
but see, have you really thought about it? Like, what is the nature of job? Have you gone to the courts?
Yes, sir. So
How do
during the
how do you
internships.
make a distinction between a lawyer's job and a job of a presiding officer or a magistrate or a judge, whatever? How do you find in your own thinking? What is the difference?
So it's a services which you're giving to your nation. And I think being an advocate, sometimes you become selfish also. Some people are become money-minded also when it comes. I'm not against, but I've known so many people who are advocates. They are so money-minded. So I just think a judiciary will be a better, because I'm more of a person who is. I just want to give to the society according to my potentials and my interests, because I love law and I just want to give. And it's
Now,
more
all right.
challenging for
See,
me.
you have a liking for the job. Good thing. But have you somehow got an idea, like, what is the nature of job a lawyer does and what is the nature of job a judge does? Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. I'm currently a JLO also,
Okay.
junior legal officer,
Okay.
currently posted at Collectorate Office, Dudu. So I've
Junjunu.
Dudu.
Dudu.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, Dudu,
Okay.
Collectorate Office, Dudu.
Yeah.
So, sir, I've been actually going through files of appeal and no appeal, because the permission has to be granted by the district magistrate, so they go through my hand. So I'm reading those files and analyzing how judge's job is much more difficult. It's a very difficult job. We do agree to that, but it will be a challenging for me, and I'll do it. I'm reading those files, and it makes me so much like I'll be able to whether I'm seeing those files, I'm seeing whether I'll be able to give judgment in those cases or not. And I'm actually going through the judgments also, and I'm realizing that I have to see ये यहाँ पे मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ, can look into that. So sir, I'm very much actually
You're developing 50
yes,
project.
sir. Yes, sir. Currently, also I'm actually making a habit of reading files in Hindi because it's a difficult task for me since I'm in English medium. So, sir, मेरे लिए legal revenue की भी बहुत files आ रही हैं because sir, collector साहब clearly said कि every file has to be go through my hand. So, sir, I'm looking for the revenue files also. They are also giving me a different perspective to life and to how to deal with the if I'll be able in a tehsil or posted in a tehsil or something. So we'll be able to see कि क्या चल रहा है फाइल्स में कैसे काम होगा व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द कोड मुझे ये भी देखना होता है कि हर फाइल में वेदर देयर इज अ मैटर व्हिच इज सब जुडिस और नॉट रिलेटिंग टू दैट सो सर इट इज आई एम एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड डूइंग एंड आई एम लविंग इट
I like
ऑलरेडी
it. Okay.
यस सर
See now, when you are working at JLO,
यस सर
so you get, all matters like
यस
revenue
सर
matters also, whether it is, so since you are a English medium student,
यस
good
सर
thing. But now, how do you manage to, typical those Hindi, Urdu words? Do you take any assistance, some legal glossary or something?
Yes, sir. Sometimes Google, I have an assistant who is recruited for me, so I'll take help from him because since he has been working in that. सर मुझे अब अभी 1 महीना ही हुआ है actually जाते हुए क्योंकि मेन से पहले मैंने ऑफ ले लिया था. I joined on 22nd July, so I took an off for like 30 days. So for the mains preparation, then I started. तो सर मुझे अभी 1 महीना हुआ है. सर जो भी काम होता है फाइल होता है मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. I'll go to my TRA because he know the conversion file through thick and through.
Right.
तो अच्छे से पता है कि कहाँ क्या है. So he will explain me कि मैडम इसमें ऐसा ऐसा है and these are the provisions which we used. So these are the provisions. If you want to look, you can go through that also. Google also. Then I'll Google also. Sometimes I translate. So I'm doing my best, trying to learn the Hindi. And I've started writing in Hindi only. Initially, I was giving my legal opinions in English. But since I've started loving the language Hindi, so I've started giving
तो हिंदी में लिखना शुरू
yes,
कर
sir. Yes, I've started writing in Hindi, and everybody is like, "Ki, you haven't been trained. Why? How come you're doing in Hindi?" So I said, "I want to learn. If you're giving me something, I'll learn it and I'll apply it."
तो ये तो पता ही है कि अपने यहाँ अभी राजस्थान में कोर्ट की जो लैंग्वेज है जो भाषा है वो तो
Yes,
अभी
sir.
हिंदी है
Yes, sir.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में तो
Yes, sir.
हाँ ओके आपको क्या लगता है कि आप अपना जिस आपने पढ़ाई की उसके हिसाब से जो हिंदी में काम होता है कोर्ट्स में या वो आप समझ पाएंगी उसको कर पाएंगी आपको लगता है इस
Yes,
तरीके
sir.
से
I think being in a open job, I think I can do that. I used to be very scared earlier कि how I'll do it, how I'll do it. So it's my second attempt. So during my first attempt, so I was actually under this impression that how will I do it? How will I able to do it? Doing it's not very difficult. If you have the will to learn, I don't think so. Nothing is
अच्छा आपने
impossible.
पहले भी दिया आरजेएस
Yes, sir. This is my second
अच्छा
attempt.
पहले वाले में आपने मेन पास किया ना
Yes, sir. Interview phase.
इंटरव्यू
Yeah.
क्या
Yes, sir.
अच्छा कैसे पिछली बार इंटरव्यू में आपको कैसा लगा वो सवाल जो पूछे थे आपसे कैसा आपको लगा कि वो आप प्रॉपर जवाब नहीं आ पाया या आपको लगा तैयारी नहीं थी या और करना चाहिए
Yes, sir.
Frankly, that's it.
Yes, sir. So I'll tell you the real
हाँ,
reason. So what happened is I was the last candidate of last day.
last day last
Last
candidate
candidate because though both
so they all were tired
yes, sir.
फर्क पड़ता है you're right you're absolutely right
Already exhausted था मेरा 9 बजे आया इंटरव्यू
सारे बैठे वेट कर रहे हैं हर कैंडिडेट को
Right.
एनर्जी लेवल दिखाया था जाकर पूछ
फ्लाइट बहुत ज्यादा बन गया उस टाइम पे
रात को 9 बजे हुआ
यस सर मेरा 9 बजे हुआ था और इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट
होता है
फॉर मी
अब तो जाती हो गई ना सुबह से लेके बैठे आदमी सर इंटरव्यू इज ऑल साइकोलॉजिकल
यस सर
तैयारी तो जिनकी है जो होती है सो नॉट दैट यू आर राइट हाँ वो डिपेंड करता है सी बस क्या होता है जिसे देखिए प्रैक्टिकली दो इट शुड नॉट शुड नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट बट इट हैपेंस जैसे आप कोर्ट में हैं
यस सर
और 1 बजने वाला है
यस सर
मजिस्ट्रेट साहब या जज साहब उठने वाले राइट
यस सर
तो वो बिल्कुल एक डिफरेंट माइंडसेट में तो वो आपका केस है तो नहीं आगे देखते हैं आगे करेंगे ये करेंगे है ना होता है और एक जैसे 4:30 बजे नंबर आया तो लॉयर तो सुबह से फ्रेश है वो तो वेट कर
यस
रहा है
सर
आपके केस की बट जज इज टायर्ड
यस
4:30 he can't work like a machine it makes difference तो लास्ट टाइम आपका अनफॉर्चुनेटली
प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज
सर
टाइमिंग आपका टू एस
So बस I think that was the reason anxiety depression थी सर उस टाइम पे भी लॉक
So we wish this time we should get the first opportunity.
नहीं सर अब तो
It's not in our hands, but we can wish that.
No,
We can
sir.
wish that.
Nobody was there to tell me this thing actually. The coaching is it was guided, but nobody prepared me for this situation.
Okay.
So I was young also, sir. I was
Still young,
23,
don't worry.
24. So sir, I
कोई-
couldn't deal with it.
अच्छा रश्मि ये बताओ कि अभी जो नए जो बने तीनों ये अपने कानून बनाए इन्होंने रिप्लेस किए
Yes.
हैं इनमें आपको जैसे एविडेंस एक्ट है
Yes, sir.
एविडेंस एक्ट में क्या आपको लगता है इन्होंने चेंजेस किए हैं कुछ मेजर पुराने वाले इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट और अभी जो नए हैं कुछ
सर
आपने
कुछ
देखे हैं
यस सर आप लिटिल बिट नॉट सर वो ऑफिस की वजह से मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है मैं कल तक भी ऑफिस में 5-6 बजे
हाँ
तक काम ही
witness
कर रही
है
थी
राइट
सर कल थोड़ा भी मैंने नहीं देखा बट आई गो थ्रू बट सर आई हैव एक्चुअली एविडेंस आई हैव गॉन थ्रू so there is not much changes in that already there were the provisions I think it's more of a shuffle of number of sections
no like
yes sir.
see now these new mode of service right right plus these digital documents like all these things now earlier were not there.
Yes sir.
Now do you think that all these have been taken care of now in the new evidence act now see now this digital evidence now which is there let's say now like what is the status of WhatsApp somebody you get a message on WhatsApp
Yes,
does it
sir.
have any meaning
Yes, sir.
in
It's more
evidence
effectual because since we are living in a technological age, so I think it's much more needed step in the
but
present
you are
era.
really you are particularly you're not gone
Actually,
through
the
that what
problem
are the
is
changes
not in our society. We do have laws, but there's an enforcement. So हमारी कितनी सी पॉपुलेशन होगी कंट्री की जो एक्सेस कर पा रही है आज भी ऐसे कितने सारे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो नहीं एक्सेस कर पा रहे हैं तो सर हमको उनको बेसिक लॉ भी नहीं पता हम उनसे ये technology or so there's
right
extreme
see again ignorance of law is no excuse no? That's the problem
ignorance
right but
excuse
this is an old this thing which is still continued
yes
now
sir.
somebody can't say I do not know now that even if you are sound on me I do not know so uh, you are right to the extent that our society has not changed to that level
Yes sir.
but the law has to have a uniform applicability
Yes sir.
so what we are asking you is that with the change technology in communications in matter of evidence which is now being collected now see now you see these offenses which are committed on mobile phones right
Yes
these
sir.
are the
Cyber
latest things
crimes
now
yes
okay
sir.
so this extortion whatever so now suppose there's a conversation on a WhatsApp from somebody right and ultimately person is made to transfer the money now how do you bring it within the clutches of law by having an evidence. Do you have an idea as per the evidence act?
So the delay so first of all I would like to answer कि क्या difference आएगा so I think the delay which was earlier there maybe it will be less in the summons में जो जितना टाइम लगता था वो शायद अब नया लगे उतना टाइम so there will be cost
हाँ
delay तो कम होगा ही
हाँ
हमारी
हाँ हाँ. No,
courts
that is the
judiciary की
procedural part. I am
yes
saying
sir.
substantive part. Like, see, now the offenses are not committed one to one. There are category of
Yes sir.
offenses, economic offenses in particular, which are committed now, on let's say on mobile phones.
Yes sir.
Let's say on a other mode of like let's say you have a computer, you have a laptop. Now people ask you that send me money. You are refooled ultimately. Now how do you think that these things are taken care of under the new law, which have either penal code or the evidence act or the CRPC? Do you have any broad idea that now what they are trying to do?
Yes. No, sir.
If you know, it's fine. That's all right.
So I'll
All
do
right.
this comparison
All right.
analysis.
All right.
I couldn't do
All
it.
right.
I'll.
Okay. Now, see, because you are going to be a judicial officer.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the powers, of a judicial magistrate? Because magistrate means obviously when you exercise criminal jurisdiction, not
Yes,
just
sir.
civil that. Like in matter of remand, like how much is the power given to you, like under the act now?
So you can give the 15 days remand under CRPC.
outer limit is 15 days.
No, sir. There's another provision also. So after 15 days, a magistrate can authorize the detention in the judicial custody for 90 days and 60 days. 90 days in those cases which are punishable with a death sentence, life imprisonment, and punishment above 10 years. And other cases are dealt under the 60 days. After that, a default bail has been given to the
Okay.
accused.
Okay.
I am not aware that what is the new number in the
Or,
BNSS,
or
but I think
yeah,
it's
I think obviously they
167.
will ask you about old act only. Yeah,
Yes,
they will
sir.
not ask you the new act. Then.
कोड नंबर्स अभी
हाँ तो ये हो जाएगा
पहले
अभी सभी किसी को
167
याद नहीं वो वकीलों को पुराने 307 याद है हम नया ना मजिस्ट्रेट को याद है ना किसी को नहीं होता है दैट्स ऑल
so
आ सीपीसी में तो कोई चेंज नहीं हुए हैं
no sir
राइट
it's 1908
राइट एक यूजुअली एक क्वेश्चन आता है बहुत कॉमन होता है जो रेस जुडिकेटा
yes sir
इन सीपीसी राइट
yes sir
सो नाउ व्हाट इज दिस कांसेप्ट ऑफ रेस जुडिकेटा
so the so it's a bar on the court to take the cognizance on the another matter if the matter has been already dealt and finally heard and decided by the another court, then the other court will not take the shall not proceed with the case if the matter has been already decided by the
no
another
like
court.
between who? Suppose A and B,
Between the
they,
same
they are being, A and B
yes
are, we are litigating.
yes sir
Some issue has been decided,
yes sir
right? Now, see, who is not a party, right? But he claims some interest in the same title, sorry, dispute, property. Whether she is also bound.
sorry sir
अरे
sorry
भाई
sir
एक तो बंद करना आप थोड़ा सा बंद करो
so नहीं sir वो
आई
flies
अंडरस्टैंड मैं कुछ को बोलना है मक्खी है ना उनका थोड़ा सा वो पहले कैंडिडेट आया था उनको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा था है ना थोड़ा बोलो बच्चों को डिस्टर्ब होता है थोड़ा सा अगर आ जाए